The Alfa Romeo Junior Veloce 2024 marks a pivotal moment for the brand. As Alfa's first small electric vehicle, it sets the stage for their fully electric future by 2027. The Junior's design is compact yet striking, with a high nose and calm tail inspired by the 1960s TZ models. Its grille, initially odd, becomes a stylish nod to Alfa's electric future. Despite sharing components with other Stellantis models, it stands out with its unique Alfa Romeo flair. The Junior Veloce, with its 240 PS motor and Torsen limited slip differential, offers a dynamic driving experience. It accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 5.9 seconds. The handling is agile, with responsive steering and a balanced chassis, making it a joy on winding roads. Inside, the Junior features a dark yet pleasant design. While some elements are shared with other Stellantis vehicles, Alfa-specific touches like circular digital instruments add character. Rear space is limited, but the 400-liter boot is practical. Standard features include LED lights, adaptive cruise control, and a 10.25-inch infotainment screen. The Veloce trim adds advanced suspension and a 180-degree camera, enhancing the driving experience. The Junior Veloce is a promising start for Alfa's electric journey. Priced at £42,000, it offers more than just a badge-engineered vehicle, delivering a true Alfa Romeo driving experience.